Well, that was lovely. It's 6:30 a.m. I'm at Walmart parking lot. Obviously with my cat and my dog. No, they're somewhere else. I don't live with them full time. I don't know why I said that. I went to bed at 11. I'm gonna end up actually getting up and just leaving. But there was some guy in like a Harley or a really loud crap box motorcycle this morning that barely runs, that just started it and like woke me up and then drove away. I don't even know how he got here because I didn't sleep through that. And I'm pretty sure he was here last night. I don't know if he left his motorcycle and then he left, or if he slept on his motorcycle the entire time. I'm not sure. All I know is that that was like one of the loudest things I've ever heard. And it made me hate people with motorcycles even more. And I'm not talking about like the cute little ones or the sports bike ones. I'm talking about the Harleys. Anyway, that's how I'm gonna start this vlog, because that's van life, is waking up in Walmart parking lots because of people. I don't even know what she's looking at there. She scares me when she's looking at stuff like that, because it's always a spider or something that she's staring at that I never see. Anyway, good morning. Come on. Good morning, squads and squadettes. Nova, come here. What are you doing? Nova, do you want to go on leash? Come here. That's what I thought. Come this way. We are at Walmart. There's the van. Van, one way, my van. Whew, it's a nice morning. But yeah, I got woken up last night, which was not that fun. I'm just gonna bring Nova for a short little stroll. It's very chilly. I'm glad I brought a sweater. I cleaned the van yesterday, so I didn't have too many things in there. I actually washed every article of clothing that I own. But, excuse me, come here. Don't make me yell. Come here. I'm gonna make sure there's no homeless people around the corner first before he goes running off. But what was I saying? Yeah, I don't have anything in the van, so I cleaned everything. And then I just packed like the clothes that I needed for yesterday. Obviously I was wearing them, and then today and tomorrow. The employees, I guess, of the LCBO, which is that, oh no, it's pooping, I gotta go pick that up, left apparently a bunch of unopened boxes of wine, assuming for them to take home or for a homeless person to take home. But yeah, that's nice. Breakfast. Anyway, there's not much room in the van right now, so most of this stuff actually isn't ever in the van. A lot of this stuff is my old art that is usually at my parents' house that I'm trying to get rid of this year, this summer. I tried to get rid of it yesterday, and hopefully today and tomorrow. Oh, I want to make money, but I want to sell, obviously, all of my like cheaper things too, and they're only cheap because they're first products that I've ever made. I don't know why I'm trying to open my van with a house key. Oh, I feel sick. I'm hungry. I really want a hot chocolate, and I would really love, there you go. That's a great angle, guys.
I'm so glad the market's indoors today because it is windy. We're at Metro. We're gonna go get some chalky milk. I hope they have chocolate milk. If they don't, then I don't know what I'm gonna eat for breakfast. And by eat, I mean drink. There is like a cute little cafe around here, but I don't want to spend $20 on breakfast. So we're gonna go spend $6 on chocolate milk. Ooh, yummy. They don't have any chalky milk. Well, they do have chalky milk over here. This chalky milk, which is not the chocolate milk that I wanted. I mean, I could get it. I don't really want to drive around looking for chocolate milk, in all honesty. I'm gonna read the ingredients and then decide. It's just full of random stuff. I don't want to drink that. Chat, am I bougie? Don't answer that because I already know that I am. I didn't get any chalky milk, but I got snacks. Yum, I love these. They're so good. $6 for cookies, bro. Can eat those all in one sitting? No, I can't. They're actually pretty rich. Anyway, I'm gonna try and look for another supermarket. A bougie one. I wish there was a Whole Foods here. There's not. They're only in the rich neighborhoods, which is weird because from what I've seen so far, what I've driven through, this is like a rich neighborhood just for the mere fact that people have gazebos outside in their front lawns with like lawn furniture and statues and stuff. And you can't do that in a lot of neighborhoods nowadays because people will steal everything. Okay, I ended up ordering from Rosie's Cafe. I ended up spending like $20 some odd on it, but I got chocolate milk. I didn't get chocolate milk for $20. I literally got pancakes, eggs, toast, bacon, pea-meal bacon, home fries, pancakes, if I didn't say that already. Hello. I got my chocolate milk. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh yeah, these are super crisp. Oh, Nova's here. I normally don't like onions, but I can tell that these are made with them. They're not crispy anymore because they've sat in my car for like 10 minutes. But they taste delicious. Pancakes, the size of my head. Also, I want to add that everyone working there was so nice. I got 2 pea meal, 2 bacon, and then I think this is either 3 or 4 scrambled eggs. And then, obviously, toast. I got 12 grain and cutlery, 2 maple syrups, butter, ketchup. Let me set up. Okay, here's the spread. Can dogs even have potatoes? Okay, wait. Here's the spread. Ready? And here is the view right now. Someone's giant yacht. Oh, someone from the States. Duh. They're all rich there. Anyway, at like a marina type thing. I'm gonna eat. This was a good idea. There's parking, guys. Oh, she just got a ticket. I've been lying down. I should get up now. I ate my food. I ate quick bit. Hello. I think it might be time for a walk. I paid for parking $3 an hour, but whatever. It's fine. Hi, baby. Okay, I got up out of bed. Going for a walk to the lighthouse. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. It's really windy. It's going to be even windier going down there. So I'm just going to take some footage and that's it. And maybe put some music or voiceover over it. I don't know. This dog is a crackhead, I swear. Are you coming? You wanted to go on the beach? You're on the beach. Okay, you can't. You're gonna hurt yourself. You're gonna hurt yourself. Okay, you're gonna hurt you. I can't run with you. Just take it easy, please. Oh my gosh. We will get to the water. Just take it easy. I see your legs curling under. Oh, and you peed. Good job. Yeah. Good job. Let's just cover that up. There you go. Dogs are allowed on the beach. Funny because we were walking down the pier, right? And he saw the sand. And he dead weighted at the entrance to the beach. And I was like, I don't know if you're allowed yet. Like, we have to find a sign first. But he refused to move. So we're on the beach now. He's going to go, I know him. He's going to go in the water for 2 seconds. Then he's going to stand there. And then he's going to not know what to do. And then he's going to want to leave. Okay, please don't dislocate my shoulder. Just take it easy, please. Oh, no, that's cold. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh, I guess I'm going in too. Oh, you just got soaked, man. Okay, take it easy. You don't have to flail all over the place. You can just like walk. Oh my gosh. Oh jeez. I was trying to take a nice video, man. Why are you crying? You want to go now? You're done? Can mommy enjoy? Or is that not allowed? Is mommy allowed to enjoy the water for a second? No? Huh? Can I enjoy the water for a second? Without you yapping over there like a big baby? Huh? It's so cold. Wow! Oh my gosh. Dude! You're just not letting me enjoy this at all, are you? Ow! Nova, stop! Stop! Stop. Okay, we're leaving. Why do you always leave your dog in the car? This is why, man. Boy, 2 seconds on the beach. Oh my gosh. Stop, please. Oh, a coin. Wait, mommy found money. That's not money. I'm still broke. thought it'd be a gold coin. $5 million. That looks like a face. Hi, babies! This is like the cutest little place. I'm pretty sure, but I'm also not fully sure if the bridge is down there, like the channel locks. There's the van. It was kind of like trippy getting to this place because it was on Google Maps, but it's like at the end of an industrial area and it's ice cream. But as I was driving here, I was like, am I even sure that this place even exists here? They were so sweet. Okay. Some people are going to question what I got. I got 1 scoop Death by Chocolate and then 1 scoop blue bubblegum. I like pink bubblegum better, okay, from Baskin Robbins. Apparently, the big boats do come through here. They don't know how often. I did just miss one. Apparently it takes like 30 minutes to even go through the channel locks or something. But we're gonna sit here for a little bit. So hopefully I can get one of those for you. In the meantime, oh my gosh, it is spilling. Ah! I have like 3 hours till my market. Maybe more. They use Kawartha dairy ice cream. I'm gonna hopefully do a vlog going to Kawartha. I'm just trying to find the right time where it makes sense for me to go up north. Probably book a campsite. I wasn't supposed to take a nap. Apparently I did. And now I have a lazy eye. Work. 1 second. Not so lazy anymore, are ya? Oh, it's still lazy. Now it looks even worse. Ah! I'm gonna leave this in. Because why not? I don't even do stuff for the camera. This is just me, man. These are just my thoughts. Oh my gosh. It is 2 o'clock. I've been here for like an hour and a half. I don't see any ships. Nova was supposed to not let me sleep. He did a bad job because he cuddled up next to me. The market starts at 5. I don't know why I yelled 5. I am going to go there for 4 so I can set up. I'm gonna take an Advil right now just because I always feel super groggy after naps. Apparently I had my eyes closed for like an hour. And I'm gonna maybe even get up and go park somewhere else just so I can like drive and, you know, wake up a little bit. Obviously I'm not like driving when I can't think or whatever. but I need to get out into the sunshine. I'm so tired after yesterday though. No way, guys. I was pooping, okay? And look what's coming. A boat. Namaste. There's a boat coming. We're gonna sit and wait for it. Oh my gosh, what is it? Smoking out, man. That thing's huge. Holy jeez. That's pretty cool. Fun fact about me, I am scared of boats. So this is pretty creepy. They're just big. I don't know. They don't have to be that big. Anyway, enjoy. There's little men on there. Look at how cute they are. Look at the little men. Look at them. Hello. That's huge. I love how it doesn't even look big on camera. But that is a massive, massive boat. Another man. Hello, man. What are you doing up there? On his phone, texting. Hello. Wow. That's pretty cool. Oh my gosh, it's gonna hit the bridge. Just kidding, the boat's like much lower than the bridge actually is. But then there's a drop all the way over there. Look at that. Now you can kind of see the size compared to like people. Actually, you can see the people on the boat. Anyway, like I said, I was pooping, but it's time to go. Cool. That was pretty cool. Not gonna lie. Okay, so we just got here. I'm in the sun a bit, but it's still cool. I'm pretty sure my spot is like right there, which means I'll be able to watch my van. And then it's super cute because baby and kitty, who's been mean to me all day and biting me. I still love you. You're so sweet. You're such a sweetie girl. You're such a sweetie girl. Yes, thank you. Thanks for biting mommy. You're so sweet. Anyway, Nova will be able to watch everything that's going, like the people in drag, because it's a pride fest that I'm going to. I want to take a nap again. I don't want to get up. I don't want to get up. No, I don't want to get up, baby. Just like 5 minutes. I gotta get ready. Quick time. I was in there asking about parking. Don't have to pay. My allergy just flared up. I'm gonna brush my teeth a little bit just because the ice cream always leaves a little bit on my mouth, and then I'm gonna do my makeup. Okay, I did my makeup. Took me like 10 minutes. I don't wear mascara or eyeliner, like black eyeliner. It's literally just like this, and this. My nose is so crooked. Oh my gosh. If I ever get rich, I'm getting a nose job. Anyway, everything's face paint aside from I don't know if I'm going to do a red lip. I think maybe I will because my lips are looking a little bit dry today. Let me try red lip and then I'll take it off if anything. What do we think? I think it's cute. It's giving very much big comfy couch vibes. I know my head's gonna hurt in a while. And my head is lopsided, so these aren't right. 1 second. Okay, we're all set up. I think it's probably like half an hour, maybe 40 minutes till showtime. I hope I do well today. I need to make some money. I have a feeling I'm gonna get a headache. It's gonna be really loud. There's some quite judgmental people here that are already like staring at my booth and kind of giving like weird, dirty looks. Maybe my tablecloth because it has skulls on it, but and you can't have life without death. So anyway, we shall see how it goes. And yeah, hopefully I make some money. It's gonna be a late night tonight. It's gonna be very loud. There's lots of music playing. So I don't know how much I'm gonna film. Some things are probably gonna be voiced over just because copyright. It's probably gonna be copyright from what you're hearing right now in the background. But I'm excited. Bye. The security guard just asked me if I know where the washroom is. Why would I know where the washroom is? I'm not getting paid to be here. The snacks came in handy. It is 10 p.m. I've taken my hair out. It's my table. My table and chair. I also left a big bin of stuff underneath there. The doors are going to be locked at night. And hopefully no one steals anything. I care more about my table than anything in there, because I don't really care about the stuff that's in that bin. If that bin goes missing, no, I'm not gonna say that. I'm gonna say that I'm gonna take it back, okay? God, whoever's listening, I don't mean it. I'm just gonna say it, just because it's how I feel, but I don't mean it, okay? Don't jinx anything. If that bin goes missing, I'll almost borderline be happy because I won't have to sell it anymore. It's just my stuff that I've had for years, my old creations. I ended up buying a little, as if my keys need any more keychains on them, but it's pretty cute. And I specifically bought it like for it to be on my keys and get thrown around. So it's not one that I'm just gonna leave in a bin somewhere and not want to destroy. It's one that I'm actually gonna use. But yeah, it's 10 o'clock. I'm gonna head over to Walmart. Why did I say Walmart? I'm so tired. Tomorrow's market is starting at 11, so be here at 10. I'm gonna park on the other side of the building tomorrow. I'll probably maybe add in some vlogging. You know what? No, I won't. We'll see. Today I made the table fee and a little bit extra. I hope tomorrow is better, because I just bought a fridge and I need money. I am po.
And I spent like $30 on breakfast today, but it was good. And it made me take a nap after. Anyway, I'm gonna go. The downtown night crew is coming out, aka the people that are dangerous. So I'm gonna go park for the night and go to bed. And I love you all, and thanks for watching. And if you made it this long, thank you so much, because everyone just watches like 2 minutes of my videos and then they stop watching. But I like you if you stay this long. So make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Please comment stuff, even just how your day is going. Just boost the algorithm for me. I love YouTube. I love filming and vlogging and sharing my life with you guys. So please help me out. Do your part to help me out. Please, it's free. You know, just come on, comment, like, subscribe. But yeah, good night. If I do see you tomorrow, hello again. If not, I will most likely see you Monday. I will maybe end up going to Niagara Falls. Depends how tired I am. I also have like a lot of stuff in the van, so I feel like going to Niagara Falls won't be as enjoyable as I want it to be, just with moving around and everything. So if I don't go to Niagara Falls, I will see you when I get my fridge. Either way, I will see you again, hopefully, if the gods allow it. Goodbye, love you, good night, be safe, drive safe, good night, Canada, good night, America.